Hey, what's up? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another new video. So hey, first let me go ahead and thank everybody for running up the numbers for your boy. We went ahead, we finally passed the 1K subscriber mark a little over a month ago. So that was big news. So you know what that means. I will be doing a 1K giveaway. It'll be some containers from the container store. So I'll be announcing that information probably in the next video or two, giving you guys all the details of what that's gonna be about. So again, thank you for those that have went ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hey, go ahead and add to those numbers and let's keep running them up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button one time for your boy. That would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you didn't know, just go ahead and hit your boy up on Instagram or Twitter. You can get that information down below in the description or on the screen. So again, I want to take time out to go ahead and thank everybody for running those numbers up, because it is greatly, and I mean greatly, appreciated. Your boy is definitely humbled by all that. I appreciate you guys rocking with your boy. For the last couple of months, you know, September, October, in my opinion, have been kind of slow in the sneaker game. So I ain't want to really just come out here and just kind of push videos on you if I ain't really had nothing that I really wanted to show you or even really talk about. I actually went ahead and took that time, and I even reached back for a couple pairs of sneakers that I wanted to grab either earlier from the year or maybe even a couple years back. So, you know, you got to think about these kind of times. If there aren't sneakers that are coming out that you really have to have, and there's a pair that, you know, you want to save up a little money and reach back and grab, sometimes these slow months are the time to do it. Because right now we know November and December is going to be a lot of stuff coming out. So that's another thing. You could have saved your money from September and October to pick up some shoes for November, December, or again reach back. Either or, if you're capable, you know, and you're able to do it, you could have done both. So that's my plan. So we'll go ahead and talk about that probably in the next couple videos. This video right here, as you guys saw earlier in one of my earlier videos this year, a couple months ago. So as you know, some of you know, those of you who might not know, but earlier this year, your boy was able to hit on one of the lots from the 50 package that came out from the Off-White collab for the Nike Dunk Lows. And the lot number I received was lot 8. So this video right here is going to go ahead and find out what I flipped that lot 8 for a lot that I really wanted. Those of you that know me, you know, in the sneaker community, you know, through text, you know, chopping it up or whatever, those, you know, I've talked to some people. Some of you already know what lot number this is. So before you guys fast forward in the video, take a guess down below in the comments. Which lot do you think your boy grabbed? Don't cheat and fast forward the video to find out. I'm gonna let you know anyway, but hey, if you know your boy, you know what lot I really want to go after. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it ain't none of that hype beast stuff. It ain't lot 1 or lot 50, but it was a specific lot number that your boy wanted. And I went ahead, sold lot 8, used that money to purchase lot. I'll tell you later on this video. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and open up a package from one of the homies that sent me some merch. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. He has some merch out, so I went ahead and purchased and cop from that. You know, you always got to go ahead and support the people that support you. So, you know, I know he supports me a lot, you know, sharing my videos and all that. So I had to go ahead and make sure I went ahead and supported him as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick. So right here, shout out to my guy Kang Kickx. I'll put his channel information right here somewhere on the screen. It'll also be down low in the description. So first and foremost, my guy, he went ahead and threw a sticker here inside the package with the shirt. You know, it says Kang Kickx right there. And here we have the shirt. This definitely gonna go well with my pollens. This right here, let's go ahead and open this up for you guys real quick. This is logo, Kang Kickx. You guys can see that right there. This is a nice shirt right here. I definitely appreciate that. I went ahead and got that from the homie, because again, like I was saying, you definitely want to go ahead and support the people that support you, because that's kind of what it's all about, man. You guys got to go ahead and show love and show support to people, especially when they rock with you like that. You know, everybody ain't always down with you and whatever. So when you find some people that are really genuine in this game, hey, and they got some stuff, you know, support them. You know, you ain't got to buy everything from them, but if you can, go ahead and purchase some stuff from your homies and show them you got that support. So Kang, thanks for the shirt. I appreciate that. It will definitely go well with the pollens. Definitely go well with the pollen. So now here we are, back, the off-white dunk, the 50. The box, you guys seen it before in a previous video, so I ain't got to go through all that. This isn't going to be like a real detailed, you know, video about the sneaker, but I want to go ahead and show you guys an update, or give you guys an update of what I traded lot 8 for, or what I sold lot 8 for and used to purchase a new lot. You guys can see right there, Nike off-white dunk, size 12, that's your boy size. Again, take a guess which lot you think it is. If you know your boy, you know what it is. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll show you what lot your boy picked up. And here we go. Your boy went ahead, got rid of lot 8 to secure lot 10, as you can see right there on the little tab on the heel. Lot 10 was secured. If you know your boy, you knew I love this lot as soon as I seen it. I know a couple other people like Jay Lando, he ended up with lot 10. Bobby Sneaker World ended up with lot 10. They already knew your boy definitely needed that lot. I got rid of lot 8. You know, it was kind of like a burgundy Hillman University Washington football team color scheme. I wasn't gonna really rock that, but this right here is gonna go well with a lot of my Golden State Warrior gear. You know, you got the blue overlace laces, that yellow tongue right there, you guys can see that with the big off-white hole in it. You got that yellow zip tie, your little green tab right there, you know, the off-white. You got your little orange, yellow slash whatever, showing that it's lot 10 of 50 right here. This shoe is dope overall. Outsole still the same, gray outsole. The shoes, as you guys know, all look the same. Pretty much nothing's changed. It's really only the tongue and the overlay laces that are really different on some of these. This is another canvas one. As you guys know, the lot 8 one was canvas. I initially thought I was gonna want all suede, but I'm actually happy, you know, I went ahead and got this one. Again, I love the color on it. It really pops. Summertime is over, I know, but you know, I think you could wear these kind of year round. We're in California, so you know it's gonna always be nice out here. It ain't gonna ever be too crazy, so I will get a lot of wear out of this. Lot 10, this was hands down my favorite lot of the 50. No hype beast stuff here, you know, no lot 1, no lot 50. Let your boy know of the 50 what lot number you like the best. Leave that down low in the comments. You know, again, this is just a quick video letting you guys know what I updated from lot 8 to lot 10. Again, thanks for tuning in to your boy. Don't forget, you can follow me again on Instagram and Twitter, which is down below. Y'all know that's where I get a lot of my sports talk going on. We're going to get into all that as well. A couple more videos coming out. And don't forget, the information regarding the giveaway will be coming out in one of the next 2 videos. Sneaker container boxes on me. If you live outside the country, I'm gonna take care of you also. We'll just send you like Cash App for the amount for the sneaker boxes, so you know that's gonna be the easiest way to do that. But anyway, again, thanks for tuning in to your boy. For lot 10 of the 50, you have your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.